How to unfollow Instagram followers not following back. Let's begin with the video. Initially open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Next tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. From here tap on following. This shows a list of all the accounts you follow. Now look through the list and click on any user profile you want to check. Once you are on their profile, tap the following at the top of their profile. This opens the list of people they follow. Then use the search bar at the top to look for your own username. If you can't find your name in their following list, it means they don't follow you back. So just go back and simply tap the following button on their profile. A menu will appear. Just hit unfollow. Furthermore, repeat this process for anyone else you would like to remove. And that's all. This is how to unfollow Instagram followers not following back.